Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about the image tag in HTML. So we will see how we can add images to our web page. So without getting late, let's try to the tutorial. Images are very unique way to interact with the web pages. So HTML provides you the image tag. So let's see how we can implement it. Give less than sign, then img. This is the image tag, and with image tag it also provides lot of properties with the image tag. So in order to uh, link the particular image that you want to render, we have HTML provides one property, that is src. So in the src tag here, in the double quotes, you need to give the path of the images. So suppose if I have searched some dog into the Chrome, okay, and I have this link, right? So what I will do, I will copy this link. So we have copied this link, and into this src tag we will paste this link. Okay, HTML also provides a tag, that is alt tag. Okay, so what it does, it will give the description. If you see, if I hover over it, you can see this attribute defines an alternative text description of the image. So basically it will tell you what kind of image you are showing. So suppose if there is some thing in some issue with the link, okay, then you can see this message shows you like what image it is. Okay, so let's add, suppose, a cute dog. Okay, so I've added this, and then let's close it. Okay, now let's refresh the browser. Okay, now you can see, right, this, if there is some issue with the image, you can see this message is coming as a cute dog. Now let's remove this link. Okay, and let's try to add image that are there in our file directory. Okay, so if I go to my file directory, we have a dog image here. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to give the dogs uh, this file name, because these all files are index.html and this dog are in same directory. So let's give here dog.jpg. Okay, now if I refresh here, you can see this dog image is here, right? Now for the image you can also add some more properties, like if you want to, let's say, change the height and width of this image, you can control it by using, suppose, width, and let's give the value 100. So it's like 100 pixel. Okay, so 100 pixel is a way to measure the uh, image size. Okay, so give width to 100. Now let's refresh it. You can see, right, the image is shrunk. So now let's give it to, suppose, 500 and refresh it. Now you can see it has enlarged, right? And if I also want to provide some height, give height, and let's say it's 100. Okay, So now it will take height as 100, and if you refresh it, it will take this height. But if you don't provide any height, okay, it will automatically take the height according to the width. Okay, so if I remove this height and refresh it, you can see according to the width, the height is adjusted. Okay, now you can also make the image clickable. So let's say we add an anchor tag. Okay, and let's provide href, the same href as, let's give the href as https colon double slash www dot google dot com, and put this image inside this. Okay, and let's refresh this. Now you can see this image is clickable, and if you click on it, you will go to this google.com, right? So this is how you can add image to your web page. Okay, that's it for images. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.